Sardines, one of my favorite fish to eat, and quite likely one of yours as well. They're popular all over the world, and every so often they make a big appearance here at SoCal Piers. And on this day, my boys and I made it to the pier when they were out in full force. Caught a bunch of them, had a great time, and as with every video, I'll be cooking up our catch for you later, so don't miss it. All right, we are out here today on a very windy day at the pier. Haven't gone pier fishing in a long time. I got my boys with me here. They're gonna be doing all the fishing, and I'm just gonna be collecting them when they pull them up. All right, we got a double here. 2 sardines, I think, for Ryan. Nice, good job, Brian. These are Pacific sardines. Pretty tasty. One of my favorite things to catch out on the pier here. Pacific sardines are easily identifiable by the row of dark spots on their side. If you've ever handled one, you know their silvery scales come off really easily, unlike other small pier fish like jack smelt or mackerel. All right, we got the Fishing Foodie next generation here. I'm just sitting back and videotaping while they do all the hard work. I might be put out of a job later though, that's the problem. Nice. Okay. You gotta love it when these sardines come to the pier. It's usually a jack smelt and mackerel, but on occasion, we've got these sardines that come out. So sardines spawn several times annually and can be technically found any time of the year from piers, but in my experience, at least here in Southern California, they're more common to find during the summer months. Nice, another one.
That's weird, they didn't get caught on the one with the green.
This is my favorite type of fish to catch from the pier for sure, as far as small fish go. Reel it up, reel it up. Over the rail. Keep going, get it over the rail, right here. Good job. Ow, stop. Okay. Good job, Liam.
Finally, my foot. Come on, let's go. Can I unhook it?
Careful. Nice sardine. All right, let's put it in the bag. Wow, look at that hair. It is really windy out here, hence the hair. Anyways, if you've never fished with your kids before and you've wanted to try it, or they've wanted to try it and didn't know where to start, the pier is a good place to do that. That's where I started with my sons. Really easy. All you have to do is get a sabiki rig just like this. They're really inexpensive, about $2. And all you have to do is just attach it and jig it up and down with a weight on the bottom, about maybe a 1 ounce or 2 ounce weight, and you're off to the races. Really simple, really easy, and you can catch a lot of fish like sardines, jack smelt, anchovies, lizardfish, all sorts of small bait fish, and mackerel. Some of these fish can actually get pretty sizable, so good fun time out here with the kids, and you might just start a lifelong passion for fishing. All right, another one. You guys can see right there, there's just a giant ball of sardines right there. If you can catch that on the camera, they are just by the thousands right now. And actually, if you look, you can see some bigger fish kind of going after them. It's crazy. We haven't had a lot of luck at the pier recently, so this is kind of a sight for sore eyes, seeing all these sardines and kids having fun. This is kind of what it's all about. Oh, he's got a double. Ryan's got the double. Nice. There we go. There's another one. Probably really familiar with canned sardines, as it's one of the most common ways to eat them all over the world. But there are lots of different ways to prepare them, including having them fried, grilled, and even serving them raw as sushi. And you can feel good about eating them because they're one of the healthiest fish out there, high in protein, omega-3s, and packed full of other nutrients. Grill. Great job. Good job, Liam. Nice.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
By the way, has anyone ever eaten here, Broad Street Oyster Company? I think it's been open for about a year, and I was wondering if it was any good. Nice. Right. There you go. Oh. Yeah, your first double. They're just all over the place, guys. Lots of fish everywhere.
Got one.
Literally, they're just jumping out of the water.
I got one.
All right, pretty nice haul today. The boys caught 17 sardines, which is a good amount for the three of us to have a nice meal. Sardines have a really fragile skin, so to scale them, all we're gonna do is gently rub it with a butter knife under running water, gut them, and we're good to go. I love cooking on the grill, whether it be steaks, chicken, fish, you name it. For years I used a propane grill, but changed back to a simple charcoal grill setup, and it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. That smoky flavor you get from a charcoal-fired grill is just so much better. And that's what we're gonna do today with our sardines. Gonna use my small portable grill today, and I've got a fish grill basket here that's perfect if you have a bunch of small fish like this. Let's go. Here's that fish grill I mentioned. Perfect for small fish like this. I'll put a link in the description. I want to make sure that the fish don't stick to the basket, so I'm going to spray it with some vegetable oil. Alright, this grill is a little too small for the basket, so I rearranged the fish so the thicker parts of the fish are faced inside. I'm going to move the basket on the grill every so often so it cooks evenly. I'm going to use a spatula to dislodge any fish that might be sticking to the basket. There's gonna be a time when I run out of unique ideas for my videos, but I haven't hit that point yet, so check out my past videos if you want some new ideas on what to do with your catch.